$1,000 a day. Hi, if you're watching this video, I want to share with you how I have made, and most importantly, how you can make 1,000 euros days or weeks using this same method and same traffic source. As you can see here, money was added into my bank account, 1,000 euro over here. Now let me show you which traffic source I have used. So let's go over here to PowerPoint and let me explain to you what I did to make 1,000 euros in one day. So I used email ads. Now what is email ads? Some people call it solo ads. You have different variations of solo ads. So those are basically ads sent out with email newsletters. You can see when you go and email, you have different emails that are sent out from different gurus, right? Affiliates. Now what is important about email ads? The great thing is that you cannot get shut down. Like on Facebook, YouTube, Google, they can immediately shut you down, which is sad in many cases, right? Because you have to reappeal, get accounts back. Now here, you don't have to lose your accounts, and in many cases, you don't even need a website. So no website and no fear of ad accounts shut down. So what kind of type of email ads we have? We have top ads, we have mid ads, and bottom ads, along with solo ads. So those are all email ads. Now, why email ads? Why would someone as an affiliate, as a newbie, could be able to choose email ads? Because as we said from the beginning, if you remember, zero compliance issues. Like on Google, they can shut you down. On Facebook, you can say something wrong, they can shut you down as well if you don't know what you're doing, right? So as a newbie, you can leverage and profit from solo ads, basically email ads. Now, if you're thinking, okay, it's so simple and easy, I can just buy from someone's solo ads. No, it does not work like that. You have to have the right email, the right content, and the right buyers traffic, the right audience of people, and you have to know what you're looking for, what to say to a seller, what kind of traffic do you need, what kind of email do you need, right? All these things are important, so you don't have to waste money and time on ad spend on Facebook or Google or YouTube, right? And have headaches basically with building up website by yourself. So this is why email ads are the future and are a really great way to make money online. So where can you buy email ads? The main question, where and how can I get started today as an affiliate on clickbank promoting offers? So first of all, if you are a newbie and watching this video, you can get it done for your email. It's really important. You will not get this anywhere else. You can go online and search for solo ads and you'll see the most important thing is having the right content on your email ad. Right? Copywriting is really important. Now, we have a special ad agency where you can get basically those buyers traffic, buyers clicks. So what is the investment? For 300 clicks, it's almost $500. So $497 for 300 buyers clicks, which are very highly converting. Another option is 700 clicks promo, which is $997. Keep in mind, if you're promoting, let's say, offer for $100 to $200, and you invest, let's say, $1,000 to get 700 clicks, and let's say it converts at 5% only, at only 5% out of 100%, okay? Or let's be even more minimalistic. Let's say it converts at 1% only. Out of 700 clicks, you get 1% sales. What does it mean? Out of 700 people who came to your email, you get 7 sales, right? And now if you have offer, like we said before, with the upsells to $200, how much have you made? You have spent, let's say, $1,000, and you have made back 7 sales of $200 as a low ticket offer. So in that case, you have made profit, right? You have made well over $1,400. So basically, you have made $400 profit. If you promote offer for $500 and you have 5 sales, for example, you have made $2,500 back. So do the math, okay? And as I said in the beginning of this video, email ads are really the future. If you know what kind of email ads you're looking for and what kind of email and offer you are writing, right? So it's really, really important. So if you want to have this done for you, and if you want to buy buyers traffic and have it sent to your link, to your ClickBank affiliate link or Digistore affiliate link, let me know. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where we can connect one-on-one, and you can also get support and personal help. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.